Ever found yourself drowning in a sea of communication platforms? Jumping from one app to another, scrambling to connect with colleagues, clients, or even just family. And then you stumble upon a name, 8x8. It promises a unified communication experience. But here's the burning question, the one that's probably buzzing in your mind right now. Is 8x8 free to use? Let's be real. In today's digital age, free is a word that catches everyone's attention. We're bombarded with subscription services, hidden fees, and limited time trials. So when a platform like 8x8, boasting comprehensive communication tools, enters the conversation, it's natural to wonder if there's a catch. To answer that question, we need to dive into the world of 8x8 and understand its offerings. 8x8 is a cloud-based communication platform that provides a range of services, including voice calls, video conferencing, team messaging, and contact center solutions. It's designed to streamline communication for businesses of all sizes, from small startups to large enterprises. Now here's where things get interesting. 8x8, like many other communication platforms, operates on a tiered subscription model. This means they offer different plans with varying features and pricing. So the answer to whether 8x8 is free isn't a simple yes or no. Let's break it down. Free trials. 8x8 does offer free trials for some of their plans. This allows you to explore the platform's features and determine if it meets your needs before committing to a paid subscription. These trials are typically time-limited, often ranging from 14 to 30 days. This is a great way to test drive the system and see if it integrates well with your workflow. Limited free features. Historically in the past, 8x8 offered some limited free features, particularly within its messaging and collaboration tools. However, these features are often very basic and may not provide the full functionality that businesses require. The landscape of free offerings changes, so it is important to always check the current offerings. Paid subscription plans. The core of 8x8's business model revolves around its paid subscription plans. These plans offer a wide range of features, including unlimited calling, advanced video conferencing capabilities, contact center functionalities, and integrations with other business applications. The pricing of these plans varies depending on the number of users and the features included. Specific product focus. 8x8 has a wide range of products. From 8x8 Work to 8x8 Contact Center, each has its own pricing structure. It is important to look at the specific product you are interested in. So while 8x8 might not offer a completely free, unlimited version of its full suite of services, it does provide opportunities to experience its platform through free trials. And as the market changes, it is important to keep up to date with the company's offerings. When considering 8x8, it's crucial to evaluate your specific communication needs. Ask yourself, how many users will be using the platform? What features are essential for your business? What is your budget for communication tools? By answering these questions, you can determine which 8x8 plan, if any, is the right fit for you. Let's address the elephant in the room. Why do companies like 8x8 charge for their services? The answer lies in the complexity and infrastructure required to provide a reliable and feature-rich communication platform. Maintaining a cloud-based communication platform involves significant investments in infrastructure. Servers, data centers, and network connections are essential for ensuring reliable service. Development and maintenance. Continuously developing new features and maintaining the platform requires a dedicated team of engineers and developers. Customer support. Providing timely and effective customer support is crucial for addressing user issues and ensuring a positive experience. Security. Cloud-based communication platforms need to have robust security measures. These investments translate into costs that companies like 8x8 must cover. By charging for their services, they can ensure the ongoing development and maintenance of their platform, providing users with a high-quality communication experience. Many businesses find that the benefits of using 8x8 outweigh the costs. They appreciate the platform's unified communication capabilities, its reliability, and its ability to streamline their workflows. For them, the investment in 8x8 is a strategic decision that improves productivity and efficiency. It's important to remember that free isn't always the best option. Sometimes investing in a paid platform can save you time, money, and headaches in the long run. A reliable and feature-rich communication platform can significantly improve your business's communication and collaboration, leading to increased productivity and efficiency. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.